How to fix Isdone.dll error during game installations for all big games. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Isdone.dll errors during game installations for all big games. First, run the game's installer with administrative rights. Then right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator to grant the necessary permissions. Next, run the installer in compatibility mode. Right-click the installer, choose Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Next, check Run this program in compatibility mode for. Select an older version of Windows and click Apply, followed by OK. Then set the game setup wizard to high priority. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Find the setup process, right-click it, and set the priority to high. After that, run system file and image scans to resolve potential issues. Now open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scan now to check and repair system files. Follow this with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix Windows image issues. Now increase the virtual memory allocation. Go to Control Panel, then System and Security and select System. Next click Advanced System Settings, then Settings under Performance. Choose the Advanced tab, click Change under Virtual Memory, set a custom size for the paging file, and click Set. Then, install any missing virtual C++ redistributables. Download and install the latest versions from the Microsoft website to ensure all necessary runtime components are present. Next, re-register the Isdone.dll file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type regsvr32/u/isdone.dll. To unregister the file, then regsvr32/isdone.dll to re-register it. Finally, temporarily switch off your PC's antivirus shield while installing the game. Make sure to turn it back on after the installation is complete to keep your system protected.